Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are gonna unbox a small Bluetooth device that can turn any of your speaker into a wireless speaker. So let's do this. This is the box that I have ordered from Amazon, and this contains the Bluetooth device. So let's unbox it quickly. It's a cute little thing, you know. It's written Bluetooth over it. So let's open this. How do I open that? It's quite smooth, very nice. Bluetooth device, very nice. So guys, this is my speaker here. Okay, this has a USB port wherein I have played in my MP3 player. So I'll remove this MP3 player from here. This needs charging, this Bluetooth device, so I'll put this. I am not visible right now, but this needs charging, this Bluetooth device. So I'll put this here in order to charge, and I'll put this here. It's not reaching, it's quite small. Okay, it's very small cable, so I'll use a different cable. This is a 3.5mm jack. I'll put this here, and then the other side, which is obviously quite long. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'll put this here. Okay, this thing is blinking blue, if you can watch. This is somehow connected. Now I'll use my mobile to do the playing stuff. So guys, the speaker is working fine. You can increase the volume from here, and I have played a music and that's playing quite fine. Now this speaker has become a Bluetooth speaker, right? I can change, so I can change the music also. You can hear it's quite playing well. I'll change some music. Very nice. Very nice. I can change different music. Very nice device. Thank you guys. The link to buy this in the description below. Do get a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do keep watching all the videos. Thank you very much.